Alright, so this is the part that you want to replace. This is the old part. As you see, it's kind of worn out already. Already put in the new part, and I'm gonna clear the codes and give it a dry for a few days to see if the codes pop up again. But this is the main problem that cause the lights to come out. I'm gonna open it up and see how it looks inside. Okay, so definitely that's the issue. That's the part you want to fix. Okay, I'm erasing the code since I just put in the new part. Okay, erase done. Alright, then I'm gonna start the car to see. Okay, so as you can see, all the codes are gone for now because I reset the check engine lights and all the stuff. So we'll give it a few days just to see if it comes back on.